Be careful if you start formulas with a plus sign instead of starting with the equal sign. So here's one place where Excel gets it wrong. You'll see I've got 3 different sheets here. I've realized I haven't put the total in. I need to multiply that by that. So just to make my life easier, I'm going to hold my shift key down, group those. So now whatever I do here happens to all 3 sheets. But I'm not going to use a equal sign. I'm going to say plus that multiplied by that. If I click equals, no problem, that one's working fine. I'm just going to ungroup this. Let's look at what's happening in this sheet. Notice for some reason it's changed to RC referencing. So if you do that, this one works fine, but all your other ones have a problem. So don't start with a plus sign. I'm just going to group those again and do it properly now. I'm going to say equals that multiplied by that. Enter. Again, ungroup, always do it so you don't forget. And notice now these are correct. So try and avoid starting formulas with a plus sign.